when it comes to the challenges to collaboration in my world, there's really three. The first is about people. It's about trusting each other with our work product. Sometimes people feel nervous about trusting and sharing decision making or sharing work before it's finished, things of that nature. And it's really about the relationships you build in your own organization. I find companies that have these trust issues tend to use Microsoft Teams only for personal chat. They're not really using the Teams as much, the conversations in channels, or some of the other features for project planning or document sharing that are so readily available in Microsoft Teams. You need to trust the people you work with. So that's the first issue. The second is technology. Oftentimes, people don't know how to properly configure Microsoft 365 from administrator's perspective to ensure their data is going to be secure and they're doing good governance. I spend a lot of time talking to organizations about good governance because good governance precedes great adoption. You can have controls in your admin experience that make sure that your users are doing the next right thing. And the last piece that is really can be a challenge is process. The processes that people use to collaborate, need to evolve, especially now in the face of the, global pandemic and hybrid work. I can't just walk down the hall to my colleague's office and talk to him or her about what I'm thinking. I need to be more proactive in my collaboration. I need to grant him or her access to the resources and data that's going to help us collaborate together from the same information, right? And ultimately this goes to the digital and information divide, right? I feel like we have to really lean in and make sure that everyone has access to the same information in the same ways that we do so that we can effectively work together to be competitive from a business perspective, but also to evolve in our careers. What we used to do isn't going to work anymore. We have to evolve with the new business challenges we have, with the new environmental challenges that we have. Meaning the business environment. It's really important that we step forward in these three areas: people, process, and tools. Like it's the classic IT triangle, right? I mean, it's we've been talking about this for a long time, but now it's more important than ever that we actually evolve these things with the advent of hybrid work.